One thing I want to talk about briefly is Mother's Day weekend. Those of you that still have your parents, your mother and your father, I would say please enjoy Sunday's Mother's Day with them. Both of my parents are gone, and I can tell you that I miss Mother's Day, miss Father's Day, and quite frankly, holidays aren't quite the same when your parents are gone. So for those of you that still have your parents, I hope you enjoyed Mother's Day with them. Well, I'm going to do a little update for my next YouTube video. I think some of you might find it quite interesting. I was using the drone to film them disking one of our fields and getting ready to plant, which I did get some video of both of those events. However, at the end of the second part of that video, when you see the tractor and planter coming, I apparently lost control of the drone. It crashed somewhere. I couldn't find it that evening and went back the next morning, and probably 30 to 45 minutes I found it. It was still intact, it wasn't damaged, and my video was there. So pretty lucky on that, because that would have been at least a $300 loss, but things worked out for the good. Now I'm out in the field with my evening check of the cows, so I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see what I'm seeing. And I might mention this particular cow is the one that will never come into the lot, so I'm going to have to somehow catch her and get her up there. She was the last one to calve. That's the one that on a previous video you saw us pulling the calf. And again, all I'm doing out here morning and evening is checking the cows for estrus to see if they need to be AI'd. And for those of you that don't understand that concept, if I would see them in standing heat tonight, I would breed them in the morning. If they're in heat of a morning, I breed them the next evening. So that's the scenario that you try and go through. You can also see a bunch of calves that are here. Some of them are AI calves, some of them are out of the herd bull that I didn't AI last year. I might mention as well, this is beef month. For those of you that like good hamburgers or steaks on the grill, this is the month, and a lot of stores probably are running specials. So just get to your local stores, buy you some beef for the grill.